Hey guys, welcome again. Welcome everybody to my channel Automation Pathsala. So today we'll be discussing a very important interview question which is most frequently asking in the interviews. Okay. So the question is why Java is a platform independent programming language. Okay. If you see most of the candidate, even though they know the answers, right? If the interviewer just trick this question, right, he'll ask in some different way, right? Like how bytecode is working. Can I take a bytecode and run in animation? Will it work or not? So the same question he might ask in a two or three different ways. So in that way, if people will be by hearting the answers, right? Because I have seen most of the candidates they are by hearting these answers, so they don't know the in depth of why actually it is a how bytecode is really working in any other machine, right? So today we'll be deep dive into the solution and we'll try to find out the exact and we'll prove, okay, I'll prove you guys that why Java is really a platform independent programming language. Okay, so please stay tuned and watch complete video, guys. Okay, so let's do the practical session. I'll create one sample class file. Okay, so let me create a sample class file. Okay, let's delete this, and what we'll do is let's write a fresh class file, right? Public class a. As class name can be anything, you can take any name. Presently I'm taking as a only for demo purpose. We'll write public static void main of string argument. In Java every program starts with the from the main method, right? Once your compiler will see this main method, from there the execution will start. And what I'll do, I'll just print some statement, and then let's say I'm writing hello Vishwa, right? I'm writing, let's say, hello Vishwa. Okay, now what we'll do is, guys, let's save this. Okay, and save this. So I have saved here, if you see this. So I've saved the program inside this with a name called a.java. Okay, a.java. Now what I'll do, I'll open my command prompt or terminal, right? So from here, let me check whether I have a Java installed or not, right? Version. Okay, I have JDK 11. And guys, at the same time, please check whether your environment path has been set properly or not. Okay, so to check that, just enter the command java c. So after entering the command java c, if you're able to see this, which you cannot understand, okay, it means that the path has been set correctly. Okay, now what I'll do, I'll just compile the class file, right? So what is the code to compile, guys? Java C for compile. Java C class name dot java, right? This is our class name a.java. Compile it, guys. Once you compile, right, immediately, can you see in the top there is a one more file has been generated with the extension called what? Called dot class file, right? A dot class. So this dot java has been converted into dot class file. Yes or no? So what is this class file, guys? What is this class file? Let's try to understand in a deeper way, right? So what actually happened in the internally, right? So you have your own source code, right? So you have your own source code, your Java code, right? And once you compile this code, your source code has been converted into you know what? This is called bytecode, guys. Okay, this is called what? Bytecode. So your source code has been converted into what? The source code has been converted into bytecode. correct? It means your .java file after compilation has been converted into .class file. The same we have seen. After compilation, the .java file has been converted into .class file, right? Now this class file, nobody can understand this. Nobody can understand this except what? JVM, right? Except this JVM, because bytecode is only understandable by JVM. Okay, so as I have installed JDK in my machine, I'm using Mac. So my Mac has their own JVM. Remember guys, every operating system has their own JVM. Okay, so JVM comes when you install JDK. Okay, so in my machine Java is installed, and my JVM is also able to recognize this class file. Yes or no? My JVM is able to recognize this class file. That's why if I run this class file, right, because after compilation your class file is generated. Now the next thing is you just have to enter Java class name. Okay, Java class name. If you see guys, I'm getting my output, right? Because this is what we have printed. Yes or no? I'm getting my output. Hello Vishwa. Okay. Now what I'll do to prove that I can able to run the same class file, okay, which I have generated in my Mac machine. What I will do, I will send this class file. Okay, I'll send this only this bytecode. It means I'll send this class file to a Windows machine. Okay, so if you see this guys, this is a Windows machine, right? So this Windows machine, what I have done is I have given the .class file. See, it doesn't have any .java file. It has only this class file .class file. Okay, it means this Windows machine has only my bytecode. Now what I'll do, this Windows machine I have JDK installed. Okay, so I'll just run my program. That's it, Java A. If you observe guys, we are getting the output, right? We're getting the output. So it means what happens, every operating system has their own JVM, right? So due to that, I can proudly say that you compile in any operating system and run in any operating system, right? That's why Java works on a slogan called compile once, run anywhere, right? Or write once, run anywhere. ORA, write once, run anywhere. So that's why I can happily able to run my program which is compiled in Mac, and I can able to run in Windows. That due to this, Java is called what? Platform independent programming language. I hope guys this really helps you. Now in going forward, please don't byheart this answer. If anybody wants to prove, please show this. Okay, and I hope you won't do any mistakes in your interview going forward, right? Hope this helps. Please stay tuned. I'll be keep on posting more interview related on Java programs, especially on the OOPS concept I'm planning on the next. And similarly way I'll be keep on posting on different interview questions. Okay, if you like this video, please do like and subscribe to my channel for similar interesting videos. Okay, hope this helps guys. Please kill in the interview. Thank you.